will present our dialogue using models.
Bunga na po.
I'm Sophie Carey. I'm Gina L. Kapuyan. I'm Gail Yordido as a student. I'm Manuel Argandawan. I'm Rachel Jane.
Pagpuyuter. Kutok mo rin bata. Ay, baka muka kan.
When it was time to go home,
Ay, garo ah. Ito mo siya. Buang mo. Sino yun?
Buang na video.
Ako biya ko.
hey guys, I will have a party tonight at my place. Will you come? I will. You must go. Yeah, you should. I can feel the party vibe. I think I can go if my parents would allow me to go. We will try. We will try. Okay. We'll try. You must do it at the party.
Oh!
Hey guys! Party
Buang.
The party.
The bar. Uli ice. Uli ice. Dali lang buko na na.
The next day, sila pa nan.
Oh my god, you're right.
What the heck is that? Tuyo.
Good morning, class. Good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Kapuyan. It's nice to see you. Mabuhay. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, that.
Feels like Miss Magno is late again. Anyway, let's start our
Revenge.
lesson about models. Excuse me, excuse me. Oh my God! Excuse me, it's my husband.
Oh, Han. Han.
Portuguese kasi Rachel. Isulod sa room sa guwapay
Oh my
maestra.
god, it's Edge.
Portuguese.
Edge. Edge ang suwa.
Uy, wala si ma'am, wala si ma'am.
Disunod na ba?
Tumbon.
I'm sorry.
You must say it.
I'm drunk.
Oh my God! It's a disaster.
It's a monster. It's Mojo Jojo.
Tail. Tail, pero wag lamot yan.
Say it. Tell the teacher.
Teacher.
I'm sorry, class. Okay.
Excuse me, Mom. May I excuse myself? I need to go to the CR.
And what?
Menopause.
I need
I need to poop. I need to poop.
Ano ito? Oo.
Okay, you can go now.
Bye,
Have a nice poop. Have a nice poop.